Hello, learners. I am Parikshit, and welcome to the super exciting session on Unacademy CAT-alyst. In today's session, we are going to discuss some brilliant simple interest, compound interest questions that will help you reinforce your concepts and the learning that you must have had from this chapter. This is episode 7 of the habit building series. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, we in Unacademy are organizing the CAT Scholarship Test on April 23rd, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So if you want to understand where you stand in the competition today and also stand a chance to win rewards and scholarships, then definitely enroll for this test because it's going to give you a reality check on your preparation and reality check on how much effort you need to put, right, in the days and months ahead. Okay, quick note. I started with a comprehensive course on algebra on the 6th of April. 100% of your syllabus is getting covered here. So if you're someone who wants to cover 100% of algebra, then definitely join this particular course of mine, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. on Unacademy Plus. Okay, let's start. And these are my daily class timing, the free class timings, YouTube at 5:30 and the free class at 10 p.m. on the Unacademy web. Okay, let's start. Let's pick up the first question from the CAT 2019 slot 1 paper. Okay, this is from SICI. A person invested a total amount of rupees 15 lakh. A part of it was invested in a fixed deposit earning 6% annual interest. Okay, so moment I read it, I'm gonna write it down. So total amount was 15 lakhs. Part of it is invested in FDs. How much of it? I don't know how much of 15 lakhs. Let's say how much of it? Let's say X. Out of 15, X is invested in fixed deposits. Then can I say how much is that? What is the rate of interest? 6%. 6% SI. Sorry. And the remaining amount was invested in two deposits in the ratio of 2:1. Remaining. What is the remaining? Remaining is 15 minus X. Will you agree? X is in fixed deposit, so the remaining is 15 minus X. And this 15 minus X is invested in two separate deposits in the ratio of 2:1. So can I say in the first one, you must have invested 2 by 3. How did I get that 3? 2 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 divided by 3 of the amount. Amount is 15 minus 6. So 2/3 of the amount you invest in one deposit, and 1/3 of the amount is 15 minus x, you invest in the other deposit. Earning interest rates of 4% and 3% respectively. So 4% and 3% respectively. Total annual interest income is 76,000. Then the amount invested in the fixed deposit was simple, right? Directly, I think I have drawn this diagram, and this diagram is now making things very clear. What is it? Total income. So total income is nothing but income from source 1, or I would say SI, simple interest from first part, plus simple interest from the second part, plus simple interest from the third part. That's your total income. How much is the total income? 76,000. Right? 76,000. So what is simple interest? Interest is nothing but PRT by 100. PRT by 100, right? So P is, so first pay. How much is the first pay? P, principal, right? So principal, let's write it down one by one. So first is, how much amount did I invest? I invested X rupees. So X into R. How much is R? R is 6%. So X into 6, 1 year. So T is 1. So I'm not writing it down. X into 6 divided by 100. Plus simple interest 2. Again, what is the interest from the second part? Again, PRT by 100. So what is P? P is 2/3 of 15 minus X. 2/3 of 15 minus X into R. R is 4 by 100. How much is T? T is 1. Plus third part. How much is the third part? 1/3, right? 1/3. So PRT by 100. So P is 1/3 of 15 minus X. 1/3 of 15 minus X. How much is R? R is 3 by 100. How much is T? PRT by 100, right? T is 1. I think you are almost done, right? You can just figure out the value of x from here. So 6x by 100 you multiply this 2 by 3 into 15. 2 by 3 into 15 is 10. 10 into 4 by 100 is 40 by 100. I hope this is clear. 2 into 15, 2 into 15, 30. 30 by 3 is 10. 10 into 4, 40 by 100 minus 8x divided by 300. Minus 8x divided by 300 plus 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 into 3 is 15, right? So 15 divided by 100 minus how much is that? 3x by 300 is x by 100. I think it's all about you being able to calculate this. You being able to calculate this. I think you can easily calculate this. Can you calculate this? I think you can. 6x minus 8x, group the like terms together. 6x minus 8x minus x is 6x minus 9x minus 3x by 100 plus 55 by 100. 40 plus 15 is 45. 55 by 100. This is 76,000. Right? Can you do the calculations? Can you do the calculations? Yes? So get the value of x and that will be your answer. Get the value of x and that will be your answer. Get the value of x and that will be your answer. I will leave the calculations for you. I will leave the calculations for you. You can get the value of x and that will be your answer. Any doubt in this? Give me a moment. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? So get the value of x and that will be your answer. How much is x? X will come out to be 9. So the answer is 9 lakhs. X is equal to 9 and that's going to be 9 lakhs. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Clear? Anyone with a doubt? Anyone with a doubt? Right? So it's all about framing the equation and determining the value of x. This was from the CAT 2019 slot 1 paper. Okay. Chalo, let's target the next one. Let's target the next one. Okay. Try out the next one. Amal invests rupees 12,000 at 8% interest compounded annually and rupees 10,000 at 6% interest compounded semi-annually. Both investments being for 1 year. Okay, so we have a person called Amal. We have a person called Amal, right? Okay, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about Amal. Bimal invests his money at 7.5%. So first let's figure out Amal. He is investing 12% at 12,000 at 8% interest compounded annually and rupees 10,000 at 6% interest compounded semi-annually. Both investments for 1 year. 1 year, right? 1 year. So think about it. How much will you get? Amount. Amount is given by P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power. How much is the principal in this case? First case, it is 12,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100. Time period is 1. So can I say 12,000 into 1.08? How much will that come out to be? That will come out to be 12,000 plus 960. 12,000, 12,960. Clear? That's, let's say, amount 1. Amount 1. Another amount of 10,000 is investing at 6% interest compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually. So think about it. Compounded semi-annually. So can I say the second amount will be equal to, again, the same logic. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. How much is the amount? 10,000. What is the rate of interest? Remember, be very careful. It is 6% compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually. मतलब साल में 6% है, साल में 6% है, लेकिन 2 times. 2 times. So can I say it's going to be, R is going to be 3. R is going to be 3. Why 2 times? So 3. Compounded semi-annually. So in this case, R is going to be 3. So after 6 months, it's 3. And after 12 months, it's going to be 3 again. Right? So how much is this? R is going to be 3 in this case. R is going to be 3 in this case. What is T? T is the compounding frequency. How many times are you compounding? 2 times. So can I say 10,000 into 1.03 whole square? 10,000 into 1.03 whole square. I am doing the calculations at my end. Okay. How much will you get this? How much will this come out to be? I'm doing the calculations. This will come out to be 10,660. 10,609 is how much you'll get after calculating this, right? Now think about it. Uh, what is the interest now? Think about it. What is the interest? So can I say total interest, if I have to calculate, is nothing but total amount minus the total principal. Total amount minus the total principal is the interest. Will you agree? Amount minus principal is the interest. So what is the total amount invested? Total amount that you receive. Total amount that you receive is 12,960 plus 10,609, right? Minus the total money that you have put. Total money, initially you put 12,000 and then you put 10,000 and then you put 10,000. So how much is this? Can you do the calculations? Can you do the calculation? So 0, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, 2, 3. Oh, total, you have to add it, right? You have to add it. Total amount minus the total principal. Can you tell me how much is this? Again, I'm doing the calculations at my end. 12,12960 plus 10,609 minus 22,000. So can I say total interest that you receive is 1569. 1569 is your total interest. Are we okay? Up till here. Interest is 1569. Absolutely correct. I see Ria giving me the answer on YouTube. Perfect. Next, then we talk about the second human being. Then we talk about the second human being. How much is the second human being getting? They say Bimal invests his money at 7.5% SI for 1 year, and Aman and Bimal get the same amount of interest. There is a connection between Aman and Bimal. So what is Bimal? Bimal is investing money at SI. Bimal is investing money for an SI, and he is getting, how much is SI? Simple interest will be PRT by, and they are saying A and B end up with the same money. A and B gets the same amount of interest. So remember, the first guy got 1569 as the interest. 1569. So put SI is 1569, right? How much is P? I don't know. P, I have to figure out how much is R. R is, Bimal is investing at 7.5%. Time period is 1 year divided by 100. So can I say, you can do the calculations, P will come out to be 20920. 20920. If you do the calculations, that's going to be your answer. This is from the CAT 2019 slot 2 paper. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Absolutely. I see people giving me the answer. Absolutely. That's the correct answer. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Any doubt on this? Any doubt? Anyone with a doubt here and wish to ask? Are we clear? Clear? Easy? Okay. Chalo, third one. Let's go to the third one. How long will it take to double money at 8% interest under compound interest? How long will it take? Now, there is a shortcut here. There is a shortcut here, okay? The solution is, I mean, for such questions, there is a shortcut. Always remember the time to double money under CI. Time to double, and this shortcut is not there in your books. Time to double money, okay? Under SI, under CI, compound interest, right? Is given by 72 by, that's the shortcut. Time to double money under compound interest will be 72 by R. Always 72 by R. In this case, R is equal to 8%. So 72 by 8, answer is 9 years. Answer is 9 years. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Very easy, right? I think it's very easy. Tomorrow, if you go to a bank, and let's say, it'll be very healthy. I mean, it will be very helpful, right? Even in your real day-to-day life. Think about it. You go to a bank, this is a bank, okay? And you decide to invest 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees is your investment. Okay? And the bank is telling you, you know what, put it in a fixed deposit and we will give you 10% per annum compound interest. The only thing is, it should be under compound interest. it should be under compound interest. So remember this. This is not there in your books. Okay. So very easy shortcuts. 72 by R. And then how did that 72 car? That 72 is called the magic of 72. It acts like a magical number out here. 72 by R will give you the time for your money to double in the bank. Okay. Any doubt in this? Ria is asking, what is R? R is the rate of interest. What is R? R is the rate of interest. What is R? R is the rate of interest. So remember this. Clear? Great, great, great. Quick reminder. I take 2 free classes in a day. 5:30 p.m. It's on YouTube, right? 5:30 p.m. we do some brilliant questions, and then 10 p.m. I do a super awesome LRDI case list. So if you want to learn a LRDI, okay, and learn it for free, then definitely join me on the Unacademy web, right? 10 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. daily. And remember, where do you get the links to these classes? You will get the links to all my classes if you join the Telegram group. Parikshit sir underscore CAT is the Telegram group. You can join this group and you'll get the links to all my classes. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, folks, and I hope you enjoyed the session. If you've enjoyed the session, do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Thanks and happy learning.